Uncrewed aerial systems or drones are disruptive technology that are reshaping industries worldwide. Drone use is increasing rapidly, and it's my mission to make drone science entertaining and accessible. Before we start, I want to share something that can transform your drone program. We've worked with over 50 enterprise programs and found the exact factors that separate struggling operations from those that deliver millions in ROI. We've put these insights into our free Enterprise Drone Program Maturity Assessment. It's a $2,500 value. It's designed to show you your program's maturity stage, reveal your top 3 quick wins, and give you a roadmap for growth. Don't miss out on this free opportunity. The link is in the description. This is Jason San Souci with the Do No Drones podcast. I'm here in Seneca, Kansas at the Kelly Hills Ag Field Day. And I am honestly didn't know what to expect. This is my first year here. Lucas was so gracious to allow us to come, and we were just operating in the area. And he was like, "Hey, man, you want to stop by?" I was like, "Yeah, what are you doing?" "Oh, just crazy amount of drones and amazing people." I'm like, "Yes, absolutely. I would love to stop by." I am here so graciously with Secretary Calvin Reed, Kansas State Secretary of Transportation.
That's right. Yeah.
Welcome to the show.
Well, thank you. I appreciate the invitation.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And yeah, it is an amazing event for those that didn't make it out here. 250 people here to talk about the cross section of agriculture and drone use. Perfect for the state of Kansas, air capital of the world, breadbasket of America. What else could you ask for?
I mean, it's just impressive. I've spent the last 3 months out here in the great state of Kansas, and I am just constantly blown away with just how it's gorgeous out here. Like, are we not supposed to tell anyone?
Yes, that is correct. So it's the best kept secret in America. We like to keep that secret. We don't necessarily want everybody moving out here, but seriously, it really is. Kansas has a lot to offer. It's an amazing time in Kansas right now. We have just a real uptick in businesses looking at Kansas, and a lot of them revolving around this space, the space for aviation, the space for agriculture, but really high-tech industries all across the state. And it's a very exciting time to be in government in Kansas.
That's fantastic. So I'm just going to dive right in. So obviously we're here. This is a drone technology in ag conference. Not going to ask you drone questions.
That's good.
As I promised. But I am going to ask about sort of the direction of not necessarily policy, but innovation for drone technology, not just within agriculture, because obviously drone technology is a very transliterate technology where it covers lots of different industries. I'm curious where the state of Kansas is viewing the future of drone technology and what challenges and opportunities are there in the state of Kansas with this technology.
Well, I tell you, I think the one thing that I am most impressed about with Kelly Hills and what's going on up here is, the innovation is really being driven at the grassroots level, right? It is not the state of Kansas trying to force fit this innovation on our businesses. It is our businesses saying, we see potential here. We want to use this. How can we partner with you? What hurdles can KDOT or the state of Kansas take out of the way to make sure that this is as successful as possible? And, we're talking ag, but you saw the demonstration, you've seen the demonstration, we talked about it, moving medical equipment. Rural Kansas, hospitals in rural Kansas is a real issue. Being able to get medical supplies and other necessary supplies to our rural hospitals is just a huge issue. And if this even solves a piece of that problem, it really helps the rural communities in our state thrive. And I think that is super important.
Absolutely. What would you tell other states about this technology and your approach to how Kansas is approaching this technology? What advice would you give to other states looking to do this? As I'm from the state of Colorado.
Yeah.
And I can tell you, state of Colorado isn't looking at it like this.
Yeah.
This event has not happened in the state of Colorado. Do I think it should? Yeah, it'd be great. But it's happening here. What advice would you have to states like Colorado that may be lagging behind?
Yeah, I mean, I think the key is really just, create that safe space for something like this to happen. Like I said, the really cool thing about this event today is it's not run by a state agency. It is not the state pushing this event. It is businesses. It is an industry coming to us trying to solve a problem that will help them be more efficient, help them make more money, help improve safety. All of those are important. And the fact that we are not the ones leading, we being the state government of Kansas, we are just there to help out. That is what government should be. That is, what I would say to any state who's looking at this. Make sure you are fostering that environment of helping your businesses thrive, helping them solve problems.
So we're with the government. We're here to help, but mean it.
Yeah, no, that's right. Yeah,
right? Absolutely. No, that's amazing. Like I said, I very much value your time. I just had those 2 questions. I didn't get too crazy with it, but thank you so much, Secretary Reed, for just taking a few minutes out of your time here right before lunch and just sitting with me, answering a couple questions. I really appreciate it.
Well, I appreciate the air conditioning. Thank you.